Everyone, get under your desks! Protect your heads!
Mr. Davis, the ground is shaking a lot.
Good morning, family. Today is a great day.
Yes, it is the first day of school. Are you ready?
I am very excited. I want to see my friends.
I have my new backpack and my books.
Remember to listen to your teachers.
And be polite to the other students.
It is time to go. Let's get in the car. We cannot be late.
Do not forget your lunches. Have a great day. Have a great day. Good morning, parents. Welcome to a new school year.
Good morning, Mrs. Clark.
Hello, Leo. The teachers are ready. We have a great program for this year.
Thank you. I know they are in good hands. Good morning, students. Please, walk slowly in the hallway. Go to classroom number 5.
Good morning, Mr. Davis.
Hello, Sam. Take a seat. We have a lot of work today. Attention, everyone. Please, be quiet.
What is that sound?
My desk is moving.
It is a small tremor, a small earthquake. Do not stand up. Stand up. Stay in your seats.
Mr. Davis, is everything okay here?
Yes, Mrs. Clark. It was a very small tremor. Everyone is safe.
Holy.
Excellent. Teachers, continue with the lesson, but stay alert.
Look at the birds, Mrs. Clark. That is very strange. They are acting nervously today.
Yes, the animals are very active today. It is always better to be prepared.
Do you think a bigger earthquake is coming?
We must be ready just in case. Let's call the students inside. It is safer inside the classrooms.
Time is up! Everyone, walk inside calmly. Do not run. Earthquake! Drop, cover, and hold on! Everyone, get under your desks! Protect your heads!
Mr. Davis, the ground is shaking a lot.
Stay under the desk, Lily. Hold the legs of the desk. Do not look at the windows.
This is the principal. Teachers and students, follow the earthquake rules. Stay away from windows. Stay away from bookshelves. Stay under your desks until the shaking stops.
The earthquake stopped. Is everyone okay?
Yes, we are okay.
Good. Listen to me. We are going to evacuate. Leave your backpacks. Leave everything. Do not use the elevator. Walk in a line. Walk in a line. Aftershock! Drop to the floor! Protect your heads! Let's continue evacuating. Mrs. Clark, emergency teams are handling minor injuries and checking the kids.
Thank you, officer. Safety is our top priority.
Mrs. Clark, where are Sam and Lily? Are they okay?
They are with Mr. Davis in the safe zone. Oh, we are so happy you are safe.
We are okay, Mom. Mr. Davis taught us what to do.
Yes, we dropped, covered, and held on.
We did not use the elevator.
They were very brave. They listened to all the instructions. Attention everyone. Engineers have inspected the school and nearby homes. The authorities say the area is secure. School is closed for today, and you can go home with your families. Thank you, Mr. Davis. Thank you, officer. Let's go home, family.
Good evening. Today, a strong earthquake happened. Emergency teams quickly arrived to help people and check buildings. No major fatalities have been reported, and most people are safe. The main earthquake has ended, but smaller aftershocks may happen. Please stay calm and follow official safety instructions. Keep your phone charged and listen for official emergency alerts. Keep a flashlight, water, food, and a small emergency kit in an easy-to-find place. If you smell gas, leave the building and contact emergency services.
Mom, I did not know there were so many safety rules.
Yes.
We can learn them together, Sam.
We should have an emergency kit at home too.
That is a very good idea.
Exactly. During an emergency, correct information and preparedness are very important.
Mom, what if the ground shakes again?
If it happens again, you know what to do. Drop, cover, and hold on. And we are right here with you.
Your room is safe, and we are right here. Sleep well.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Dad. Good night, son. Sleep tight.
Thank you for watching our story. Did you learn the safety rules for an earthquake?
Subscribe to Alpha Daily English to learn more.
What happened?
A tsunami? Look at the horizon!
What a beautiful day at the beach.
The sun is very warm today. It is perfect.
Look at my sandcastle! It is very big. The water is so blue! I want to swim!
Wait a minute, Lily. Put on your sunscreen first.
Please, swim between the yellow flags. Stay safe. Come here, Max. Stop digging in the sand.
What
the sand.
Attention, everyone! Danger! A tsunami is coming! Do not go near the water! Run to high ground! A tsunami? Look at the horizon! Leave your bags! Leave your towels! Run! Now!
Leave everything, children! We must run!
Dad, I am scared! That wave is huge!
Hold my hand, Lily! Let's go! I cannot walk fast. Do not worry. We will help you.
Thank you. Please stay with us. We are together. Keep moving.
I can help too.
Drop! Hold on! Get down and protect your head!
Stay away from trees and falling objects.
The earthquake stopped! Move away from the damaged structures! Keep going!
The road is blocked! The road is blocked!
I see a safe way! Go around the car! Hurry! Hurry! Follow the lifeguard! Keep moving!
The stairs are shaking!
Pause! Protect your heads!
It stopped! Come on, keep climbing!
It was so close!
We are high enough. Keep moving away from the water.
You are safe here. Thank you. Thank you.
Can we go home now?
Not yet. There may be aftershocks.
So we must stay here until it is safe.
Think here's foment.
Yes. Stay away from damaged buildings. And stay away from the beach. If the ground shakes again, drop, cover, and hold on.
Drop, cover, and hold on. I remember.
We must stay away from damaged buildings.
And we must stay away from the beach.
We should wait for the safety instructions.
Yes? Safety comes first. Attention, everyone! The authorities say the area is safe now. You can leave the shelter.
Thank you for helping us.
You are welcome. We are a team. We are a team.
You saved us.
We helped each other.
Stay calm, protect your head, and help others. And after a tsunami warning, go to high ground. Have you ever been in an earthquake? Tell us in the comments.
Did you learn new English words today?
Thank you for watching our story. Do you want to read this amazing story?
Did you like this video? Subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.